Hi everyone, I'm going to unbox the Keychron K3 Max. This is the red linear switch. It's sleek, compact, wireless, mechanical keyboard. I think it's 75%. So what does it have? It's low profile, 31% thinner. Compact design, that's for sure. Dual compatibility, Windows and Mac OS. Web configurator, so you can go online, configure it, 1000 hertz polling rate. Okay, pair up to 3 devices, battery life of 1550 milliamps, and then has 22 plus light effects to choose from. Okay, great. Let's open it. I got this one at Amazon. And it was not on sale, so depending on when you get it, I guess sometimes it's a little bit less expensive. Okay, let's see, does it open up like the other ones? Yep, this sure does. Let me slide this out. All right, made in China. Okay. Very nice, right? Okay. All right. A little bit light right there. That's okay. Okay. Quick start guide. Very nice. Probably a little bit hard to read here. But connect 2.4 gigahertz receiver. Apparently you can do that. You can do cable or Bluetooth. Comes with an adapter, USB-C cable as well. The keys are right here. It looks like it's Mac oriented. Really nice. You can also connect on Bluetooth here, it says. And it's F1 for Bluetooth, I imagine. On the other side, we have connect the cable, switch to the right system, adjust the backlight, gives you the keys, the backlight layers, okay. And then you can go to the app. Warranty, factory reset. It probably needs firmware. This is my third keyboard. That's nice. Make sure the switch pins are straight before inserting, okay. That's a good idea. All right. What else we got? So here's our USB-C to A cable. Very nice. It has a choke. That's nice. And kind of like a nylon type feel. Nice. Then here, this is a couple of, let me see. That looks like maybe for the Bluetooth. No, I meant wireless, right? Not the Bluetooth. Here's like some type of adapter from USB-A to USB-C. Okay. Ooh, the thing where you pick out the keys. That's nice. And the rest of the keys, ooh, look at that, they're flat. The Windows key, the lock key. Ooh, the enter is in orange. I like that orange color. Kind of like a gray orange, isn't it? Gray and then orange. The escape button. Doesn't have escape button? Okay. Oh, the escape button is in orange. Okay, anything else in here? Nope. A little bit heavy. Before we look at that, let's look at this very quickly, right? K3 Max wireless mechanical keyboard. Gives you more instructions, right? What's in the box, the quick start, how to connect, the warranty, power, indicators, K3 Max wireless mechanical keyboard overview. Tells you some of the things, and then the default key layout is a Mac. All right, that's nice. Okay. And then different layers, key descriptions, function description, and charging. We'll read all that later. This is not a beginner's guide in any way, in different language. Okay. This is what we want to see. Ooh, this is compact. Wow. Definitely small. Yeah, compact is right. Wow, this looks really nice. And then, of course, how does it sound, right? Let's put this much closer. Like, maybe right there. I don't know. Maybe just standing there. Okay. Interesting. It does have legs. There's a small one and larger ones. Okay. You can see that there. Small ones, larger ones. Okay. It is small. Some people have problems typing on this. I can see why. At least the backspace works. You gotta escape. And then at button. See? 4090 laptop versus desktop. Not even close. WIX, oops. WIX Studio. Clear and present danger. Yeah, okay. Yeah, there's some mistakes that I'm doing. And then you heard the keyboard there. Inverted T. And then there's no option key here function, right? Function T. Oh, it has a crop key. That's nice. You press that on iOS and then freezes the screen and you can crop the screen. That's nice. Delete. Oh, what's this? I don't know what that button does. Well, then again, it's not turned on. Yeah, okay. We'll figure out what that is. Of course, this key layout is Mac. The Enter key, I am going to change that. I do want that orange look to it. I do want that. And you can see this is light gray, dark gray. And then the keys here. Oh, this is nice. It's not separated like the big keyboard. And we'll look at the big keyboard in a minute. This is nice because these are all together. These are together, these two, and these as well. That's nice. Yes, I'm liking this. Compact. I wonder if it comes with if you can buy a cover. You can see the switches down there. Why do I want a cover? Because I take the other one in my backpack. And people have noticed, like, oh, you build your own keyboard. And I'm like, no, it's already built. But it is a thing that people do like to bring their keyboards. Okay, so let's look at this big boy here, the VX Max, the Keychron VX Max. All right, okay. All right, here. There it is. Let me put this over here. Let me move this a bit. And you can see there's a big difference. But you can see that that's almost an overlay to it, almost. Almost. But there is a difference. This knob is nice. I do like this knob. And I do like the keys that are here because there is, a lot of times I do some math, and this is really nice. I just discovered this crop key, which is cool. Oh, look, that changes the colors. Okay, instead of like command something. All right, well, that's probably going to be like that too, right? Most likely. And you can turn it off too. As a firmware update. Okay. That's nice. Insert. Is there an insert on here? No, there is. Wait a minute. No, but I bet you. Let me see. Oh, I don't know. Let me see. There's Alt, Escape. No, there isn't. Alt. Yeah, there isn't one. Okay. Delete. Yes, there is a delete key over here. That's kind of far up here, but at least there's a delete. Page up and down. These I don't use as much. Home and end. These 4 keys I really don't use as much. Be interesting to see what other keys I can put there. The shift button, definitely smaller than the enter button. You can see that there's a difference there. This one,
chat works very.
Okay.
I'm gonna right click.
There we go. That's we have something turned on there. When I got this one in particular, compared to there was another one that I got. It was more clicky, and supposedly this is a red key too. I like the solid sounds of this, but of course, here is the Apple, right? The Apple keyboard. Let's move this guy over here. Let's see. It's turned off. This is the I forget what it's called. It doesn't have a name, but this is their latest keyboard. Doesn't stand up. It's really flat in profile, and I've gotten used to this. And then it has a keyboard here. I mean, it is a nice keyboard. I'm not going to say it isn't. This is a black version as well. You can hear, right? You can hear the difference. Let's see. Let's stand this up a little bit. Right? Compared to this one. Oh yeah. Oh, that sounds nice, doesn't it? Yes, very nice. Now, let's compare that to an original Mac keyboard, the Apple Keyboard 2. And you don't see these anywhere. Okay, that's kind of, holding it here, I wonder if that's going to pop out accidentally. Oh, you can't see that. Right here, I was about to pick it up here. So I don't like that. Okay. All right, hold on here. Let's bring this guy over. Let's put this audio here. Let's move this keyboard out of the way. I got to see it, right? Oh, look at this. Apple Keyboard 2. Ooh. Ooh. Let's put that here. Let's see how that sounds. Okay, we'll put it over here in the middle. Oh. Wow, you hear that? Definitely a different sound. Yeah, definitely a different sound. And I don't have another keyboard here to demonstrate. But this is a beautiful keyboard, this Apple II. That one's for my 2SI that I have. Okay. What else do we have over here? We have a Windows Android, Windows Android, Mac iOS switch, right? And then we have a off switch in the middle, off, Bluetooth, and then it says G. Does it really say G? Yeah, G. G for, I guess, the gigahertz. And then your middle's turned off. You have USB-C port. Very nice. One thing, though, does it bend? Not as much. Yeah, it doesn't bend as much. The only thing I'm not liking so far is when I grab it, am I going to be grabbing it here on these key edges, and will it break? Be nice if it had a cover, but then again, it's going to add more weight to it. Very interesting. Very interesting. And now I'm not going to put it as high. Wow, okay. That's not as high. Okay, and if I put it a little bit higher, I know you can't really feel what's going on over here. I guess lifting it up is a little bit easier. So it's probably a little bit better than that. Yeah. Yeah, it's really nice. Oh, I don't like that. Grabbing it here, I don't know. I'm sure somebody's reported that. And then here, right, you can tell the difference in size. This low profile is really nice. It'd be nice if the buttons were full, right? But I guess you wouldn't be able to go all the way down if there were full keys, right? Okay. True. Very, very true. Very, very nice. And this is what I was talking about. Over here, these three buttons should be together, but they're not because there's a break right there. And then these three are okay. These three are not. These two are okay. These four are okay. But here, these three are nice. These three are nice. These two are cool. These four are nice. Or these two and these two. That's really nice. Right? And, this one says the word control. This one says CTRL, right? Well, the shift button is longer here, I guess. Well, both. I can hit the delete. That's the only thing. It's like I usually go backspace, and I can get the backspace, and then delete. Nice. Okay. Well, this is really nice. The V6 Max. Really, I love the sound of it. Traveling with it though, to work, to home, it's a little bit inconvenient. A little bit too big. Maybe it'll stay at home, and this could be my traveling one. Or, maybe I give this one away or something. I don't know. I do know that I'm liking the small one. It's portable. I do like the external keys. Yes, I could buy an external key, like a little number pad or something. That's true. But overall, this is nice. Okay. So if you have any questions, please put them in the comment section. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please tell your friends. Please tell your teacher if your teacher's all into keyboards. Have a great semester, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.